Hi, my name is Esther. Welcome to my official YouTube channel, Esther Equation Corner. On this channel, we make mathematics simple, fun, and unforgettable. Whether you are preparing for exams like JAMB, WAEC, NECO, or you just want to sharpen your skills in mathematics, you are in the right place. Expect videos like step-by-step solution to real exam questions, simple math tricks to boost your confidence, engaging lessons on core mathematics concepts, fun teasers and mathematics challenges, and even some strategic ways to solve mathematics simpler and smarter. No more confusions, no more fear of numbers, just simple explanations, some mathematics hack, and a growing community of math lovers. Subscribe now to turn your math struggles into strength, one video at a time.